So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to find a file called OSPPREARM.exe. On the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to go to your C drive or your Windows drive. You're going to have to search both program files and program files x86 to find it. In my case, I have it in program files, Microsoft Office, Office 16, and I have it in this folder. I'm going to scroll down until I find OSPPREARM.exe. If you can't find it, then just go back to the other folder, program files x86, and then look for it there. Or you could just search up here, OSPPREARM.exe. It might take a while though to find it, so it will come up and then you'll find it that way. And now once you find it, OSPPREARM.exe, you want to right click on it and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. You want to repeat this another 2 more times, so you want to do it 3 times in total. Right click on it, Run as Admin, click on Yes. One last time, right click on it, Run as Admin, click on Yes. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to copy this file path, so click right here, which will then highlight all of this. You want to right click on it, and then click on Copy. Now you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in CD space. Then you want to paste what you just copied right now. So you want to do Ctrl V on your keyboard. Ctrl V. This will come up, the file path that you copied earlier, and then click on Enter. It's now going to take you into the file path. Now you want to type in OSPPREARM.exe and then click on Enter. It's then going to try to run it for you right here. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until you find Microsoft Office. You want to click on the 3 dots and then click on Modify. And then click on Yes. Once this comes up, you could try doing a quick repair first. Click on Repair, see if that works. If not, then you want to do Online Repair and then click on Repair. See if that works. For the last method, you want to uninstall Microsoft Office. Uninstall it. Click on Yes. After you uninstall it, you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows. Then you want to reinstall it again, and then the problem should be fixed. Leave a like if this helped you.